Good day, our 60th tutorial looks at a Crypto dashboard clone. The idea is to make it easy to create dashboards. As usual, we create our drawer. This time it has an append slot to show the Bitcoin wallet. On the view area, we show the portfolio, Bitcoin prices, and some charts. There is this nice animation with the spark lines when one opens the page. The source code and resources used are rather straightforward to find and understand. We have been using the same methodology anyway. I am also learning a lot about this library as I create these clones. The dashboard code is just less than 500 lines of code and has been broken into sections for more understanding. We also added a mouse over and a mouse out event to trap hovering over the cards. Yes, there is a hover built-in component with Vuetify, however the mouse over and mouse out events provide the needed flexibility to make this library work. Have fun and enjoy. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel for more updates. We also have a Telegram channel that you can join. Thanks.